got a baby chair. This nigga got
I got my road dog. Nigga,
This nigga got a motherfucking baby chair on the back of a damn wheelchair. Now, I don't make this shit up, guys. I don't make it up.
No,
This is what's going on at the shop.
I got two little troops around there, nigga. They love to ride with Pawpaw, you know what I'm saying? One in the lap, strong with one back in the back.
Where his feet gonna be at the back though?
Huh?
Where his feet gonna be at?
He gonna be hanging because he gonna help me push.
Have
nigga.
you ever
All
seen
this
anything like that, cuz? Tell me now.
Yeah.
Never. That's a one-off.
Yeah.
I ain't never seen no shit like this here.
here.
Well, this is a one-off. Man, let me take a look at this shit, man. Man, they don't make this shit, don't.
You know what he said? He said, hell, the one.
Man, they don't make this shit here, man. I know, I don't make this up. Guys, I don't make this up. Well. Hey, guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate you guys dialing in. Spending a little of your time with me, man. I got a 2016 Kia Sorento. I'm gonna show you guys, how I put brakes on with a 14mm wrench and a screwdriver. Now, the record's supposed to be 30 minutes per side, 7 minutes per side. Okay, so it's like 15 minutes. So let me see if I can beat that record or either tie that record. All right, here we go. Take my pin off. You got your little brake clips here. I took my screwdriver and I slid it back here. I'm going to push this way on this one. Well, if this thing is in the way, just go ahead and roll it on up out the way like that. Okay? Front pad matches it up. Down. Second one. Supposed to have a brake clip. Now look, could be tricky. See that brake clip on the opposite side? So you want to look back in that box and get the other one because you can put them on backwards. You understand? See now? That's right. Okay? Let me get up in here. Put that joke on. Alright. My pin. Make sure that bad boy slides like it's supposed to. Just like that. Now these springs, that allows the brakes to come back out. Go ahead and pop them in there. Like so. All right. $14mm. I know about how far to hit that thing, man. Everybody can't do that. I've been doing it long enough to do that. All right, that's one side. So guys, that was one side. So you guys put that timer on me. See what I got? We're going to the other side. Okay guys, next side. Timer starts. Got my screwdriver in. Pulling my caliper back. See? Make sure it's all the way back. Okay? 14mm. Break that nut loose. Okay, nut loose. Pins up. Out. My brake pads. Okay. Pull the clips out. Set them down right here for a second. Okay, pins in. sure it's right. Goes down. I'm probably in y'all guys' way, but I ain't doing nothing fancy. Okay, let's see if you can get it like that. Pin goes down. Screw goes in. Caliber down. Take my little jack handle stand here. Swing that bad boy up. Put a little lug tap on it. Right there. You understand? The boat will stop when it's tight enough. That's how you do it within 15 minutes. Brake pads on a 2016 Kia Sorento. Hey man, I just set the world record. Let's see if anybody out there can catch up with the old boy. This OG Triple, man. Now listen. Subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this. Hit that like button and share it. Till next time.